Hi, I'm Phil of J+, and this is the Juice Group headquarters here in Zurich, Switzerland. This is where the magic happens. Let's get in and find out. Juice was founded back in 2014, and Christoph Erni, the founder of Juice, he started producing the Juice Booster, and that's what we are well known for all around the world now, especially in the US with the J+ version of it, the J+ Booster. The J+ Booster is a portable wall box. It's just like the brother in Europe, the Juice Booster, a portable wall charger where you can charge anywhere on any socket. So this version for the US especially is made for all the big and small plugs all around the US, so you can drive around wherever you want and charge anywhere. And if I say anywhere, I really mean anywhere, all around the world. Look at all these different plugs. You can charge on any socket all around the world, especially these ones here for the US market. We have different plugs all over the world here for the Chinese as well, Great Britain, Australia over there. So how do we connect an adapter? Align the markings here, put it on top. You hear the click, so that means it's fully waterproof now. You can put it into the water like this and it's really waterproof, and simply plug in the adapter. Plug in the other adapter into your car and it's charging. And talking about robustness, it's the most robust product on the market. You don't believe us? It's military grade aluminum. It's fully waterproof. It's run over proof. We even drove over it with a tank. You don't believe that? Let's check it out. So no matter what your needs are, you need a reliable and a good quality product, and that's what we deliver for you. The J+ Booster, check it out now. In the set of the J+ Booster, there is a wall bracket included. It's military grade aluminum and it's really robust, and of course screws and anchors are included as well. So let's mount it on the wall. The only thing you need for that is a drill. Step 1, identify a solid surface, such as a concrete wall, or we have a wooden wall here. Position the wall bracket close enough to the socket. Step 2, drill the holes and insert the anchors if you have a concrete wall. With a wooden wall, I can simply screw in the screws. Pro tip, using the slots you can make some final adjustments to the wall mount. Alright, and step number 3, insert the portable charger, just like that from the side. Plug in the socket, and the vehicle's end plug comes on this side, and that's how you do it. As you can see, it's really suitable for both residential garages and commercial settings. You can take it really easily out of the wall mount whenever you want and hit it back on the road. Alright, one frequently asked question is it waterproof? What does IP67 waterproof mean? Is it waterproof? What do you think? Here at Juice and J+, we hold our promises. This one here, the European Juice Booster 3 Air, is in here for about 4 months now, still working properly. We had before the Juice Booster 2 in there with underwater, fully underwater all the time, 6 months, 10 days and 18 hours. And the same with this one here, the J+ Booster, the American version of it. It's fully waterproof as long as you want, probably. You can have it underwater for half a year and nothing happens at all. How can we do that? I need to point out that we are a Swiss company, and of course we do manufacture Swiss quality products. I don't use a watch, but if I had one it would be a Swiss watch, of course. And the same here with the J+ Booster. It's fully waterproof. The display is waterproof, of course. Under the rubber caps everything is fully watertight, and as well the Juice connector, or as we call it in America, the J+ connector, is fully waterproof as well. And IP67 means exactly that. Those 2 digits, the 6 and 7, stand for dust and waterproofness of the product. And those facts make the J+ Booster 2 the perfect companion for in and outdoor use, because no matter what situation you face, you will have the perfect companion with you on your adventure. Is there an app? Easy products don't need an app. This one is a plug-and-play charging station. You simply plug it into the wall, plug it into your vehicle, and straightforward and easy it's charging your car anywhere at any time. Why is the J+ Booster 2 more durable than other chargers? The product relies on high quality materials. This aluminum here is military grade aluminum. This is an aerospace style connector. And the entire product is engineered in Switzerland and manufactured in Germany. So this altogether provides superior protection against impacts and extreme conditions, no matter what you do with the J+ Booster 2. And it's of course much more durable than plastic chargers. Is Wi-Fi required? No, the J+ Booster 2 does not need Wi-Fi or an app connection. It's a plug-and-play product. No matter where you are, you can charge at home or plug it in anywhere on the road if you find a socket, and with the different adapters you can always adapt to the right socket and charge your car anywhere. So what is earth ground? Here's some nerdy facts. It's a safety measure that directs excess electrical charge safely into the ground, preventing electrical hazards. Why grounding is essential for the J+ Booster 2? It requires a properly grounded power source to operate safely and reliable, protecting both the user and the vehicle during charging. ETL certification requirements. Proper grounding is a requirement for the J+ Booster 2's ETL safety certification, ensuring that it meets rigorous US safety standards and offers reliable protection. So, long story short, if you touch the booster you can't get an electrical shock, because if the ground is not working correctly on the socket side, the booster shows a no ground error. What safety functions are built into the J+ Booster 2? The J+ Booster 2 has many built-in safety features. Let me get to them. The J+ Booster 2 has an overcurrent protection that prevents excessive current that could damage the vehicle or the charger. It has current leakage detection, detects any electrical leaks automatically. It has overvoltage protection. It protects against voltage spikes that could damage the charger or the vehicle. It has outlet plug temperature sensors. It monitors the temperature of the outlet plug and automatically stops the charge if overheating is detected to prevent potential damage or fire hazards. We actually have that implemented in every single household plug. And of course, we have in the booster body temperature sensors as well. The temperature is monitored within the body of the J+ Booster itself to prevent damage and ensure safe operations. So we implemented all those safety features into this small product so that you can charge anywhere as safe as possible. What is the difference between ETL and UL certification? Actually, there is none. Do you want to have it more in detail? Let's get nerdy. What is ETL certification? The ETL certification is conducted by Intertek and confirms a product's compliance with established safety standards by testing to UL standards. It offers the same assurance of quality and safety as the UL certification. While UL publishes the safety standards, ETL, like UL, is an OSHA recognized lab that tests products to these same standards. Both ensure safety compliance with no difference in criteria for listing. So that means the J+ Booster 2 is certified to UL standards. Troubleshooting. Let me give you an overview over the error codes. If the J+ Booster 2 detects an error either on the socket side or on the vehicle side, it detects the error and shows it on the display. The display itself is very easy to read. The green numbers is the amperage, in yellow are the modes, and the faults, the errors, are shown in red. So the red LED will show up if an error occurs. Let me get through them. The booster error here indicates a problem of the device itself. We recommend that you unplug the booster and the adapter and reconnect everything again. The car error indicates that something's wrong with your vehicle. In the first place, we recommend that you disconnect the J+ Booster from your vehicle, close and open the charging port again, and reconnect the J+ Booster to your vehicle. If that error occurs multiple times, we recommend contacting your car dealer. The socket error is the same thing on the socket side. So something's wrong in between the J+ booster and the socket. In the first place, we recommend that you try to connect your adapter correctly. So that means it could be that the connector is not connected properly. You really need to hear that click, otherwise the adapter is not fully connected. If that error occurs, even you have connected it well, you should contact an electrician to check your socket. The next error is the no ground error. If this LED lights up, that means you have no ground on your socket, and that is really dangerous. So you need to contact an electrician and fix your ground on your socket. The next error is the CCID20 error, signalizing a current leakage from the vehicle back to the booster. In the first place, you can disconnect and connect all the adapters and plugs again. Sometimes this issue may be due to moisture in the connection points between the booster handle and the vehicle. So you can try blowing compressed air into these connection points to clear any condensation or moisture. And last but not least, the hot error. The hot error occurs if there is overheating in the J+ booster or in the adapters. In the adapters, there is a twin temperature sensor that stops the charging if it gets too hot and restarts again as soon as it has cooled down. If it occurs multiple times, we recommend that you relocate the booster into a shaded area if you are charging outdoors. So that's all you need to know about the errors. We wish you happy charging.